Hello everyone. Now see, in last lecture we studied about sets, types of sets and equal sets, and based on that we have solved the practice set 1.2. Now see, in that we have studied how to represent sets using the alphabets. And now see, we are going to learn Venn diagrams. Now Venn diagrams, see, in picture form to represent anything is very easy. In statistic also you have studied the pictorial form of the pictures. Means the any data is given to you, to represent the data in the picture form is very easy. Same way the sets are given to you, you can represent the sets in the picture form. Now this, who has given this, that was the first, the British logician Venn was the first to use the closed figure to represent the sets. Such represents are called Venn diagram. Now Venn diagrams are very useful in order to understand the relationship between sets and to solve the examples. Okay, now see, the set is given to you, you can represent the set in the form of Venn diagram. Now for example, see, A is a set given to you, you can represent this using the figure form. Now this set is given, now this set you can represent in figure form. Now see how you can represent this. Now which elements are present in this set A, that you can write in terms of picture. Now suppose if a set is B set is given a set of prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers from 1 to 10. Now you know that which are the prime numbers from 1 to 10, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 7. Okay, these are the set B. Now this set B you can represent in picture form. Okay, this you can draw it in picture form. So it will be easy for you to understand. Now next you have to study about the subset. Now subset means what? See, next part is what? Subset. Now in subset, suppose A is a set and B is a set. Now the elements of set A and elements of set B. Now suppose, see example C. If elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And elements of set B are 3, 4 and 5. Now see, what are the elements of A set? That is 1 to 6 elements are there. And what are the elements in set B? 3, 4 and 5. Now B is a subset of A. When we say that B is a subset of A, when B's all element will be present in set A, then we can say that B is a subset of A. Now for that, how we can write this symbolically? See, B is a subset of A. Now in this way you can read B is a subset of A, means B's all elements are present in A, so B is a subset of A. Okay. Now this also you can represent in the form of Venn diagram. Now see, A is having the elements which? A is having the elements 1, 2 and B is having the elements 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this represents sets A and this represents sets B. Means here what? B is a subset of A. This you have to write in the notebook. The definition is what? If A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is subset of A, and which can be symbolically written as B is a subset of A, and it is read as B is a subset of A or B subset A. Okay, now this you have to write definition in the notebook and example also you have to write. Okay, now another word example you can see, natural number. A set N is represented by N is represented as a set of natural number. Okay, and I represent a set of integers. Okay, means here what? Natural numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and so on. And integers are what? 0, 1, 2, 3 and -1, -2. These all integer. Means here what? Natural number is a subset of integer. Means how we can write this symbolically? N is a subset of I. Okay. This way you have to write. Now see some properties you have to remember of the subset. Now what are the properties? See. Properties what you have? Properties. First property, what does it tells? Which is given on page number 8. See, every set is a subset of itself. Every set is subset of itself. Means, see, suppose A is a set, E will be subset of A. A is a subset of A. Means what? Whose A's elements are there, that all are present in A. So, every set is subset of itself. The next property is what? It tells empty set is a subset of every set. What is the next property? Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is represented by this symbol. Empty set is a subset of every set. Now here we have taken A is a set. So for we will write empty set. Empty set is a subset of A. Now next is if A and B are the two sets. Now when we say A and B are two equal sets, when A's elements are present in B and B's elements are present in A, we say that A and B are equal sets. Same way, A and B are equal set. Okay, then A is a subset of B and B is also subset of A. Okay, when the two sets are equal sets, then what? A is a subset of B and B is also subset of A. The next is what? Fourth property is what? A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Then we can say that A and B are equal sets. Now see, these properties we have to use when we are solving the examples. Okay. Now next which we have to study, that is the universal set. The universal set example what I will take. See, in your class there are some students, some boys and some girls. Means your class is what? A universal set. And number of boys and number of girls are the other two sets. Okay. So in universal set there are some boys and some girls. So in this way you can represent the set. Now in the same manner, your school. In your school, your class standard 9 is a set. Means your school is a universal set and your class is a one set. Means your class is a subset of school. Okay, universal set. Also you can say. So universal set means what? See, universal set which we can call a bigger set which will accommodate all the given set under consideration, which in general known as a universal set. Okay. What? See again, a bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which is in general is known as the universal set. Now this you are going to write its definition in the notebook. Okay. Now see, the examples are given in the textbook. So what? See, one example is given here on page number 10. A cricket team of 15 students is to be selected from a school. Okay, here all the students from school who play cricket is the universal set. Now a team of 15 cricket players is a subset of that universal set. Now this can be represented by Venn diagram. The universal set is denoted by U and a rectangle is used to represent the Venn diagram. Venn diagram is represented by a rectangle. Now next part which we have to study, that is the complement of set. Now complement of set, next part is what? Complement of set. Complement of set. Now complement set of set means what? See, complement means what? See, suppose U is the universal set. Okay, U is a universal set. Universal set means it is represented by the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. U is having the elements 1 to 8 and B is having the elements, now set B. Suppose B is having the elements 5 and 6. Means what? B is a subset of U. Okay, what we say? B is a subset of U. Means how we will write this? B is a subset of U. Means what does it? It tells B's all elements are present in U. So B is a subset of U. Now can you say U is a subset of B? No, because U's all elements are not present in set B. So U is not subset of B. But B is a subset of U. Now you have to write B's complement. How? B's complement. It is represented by B dash or B's complement. Okay, in this way you can represent complement. Complement of set B. Okay, now what will be the complement of set B? Means whatever elements are present in B, other than that elements will be called as B's complement. Now see, B's elements are 3, 4, 5, 6. So B dash elements will be what? 1, 2 and 8. Now which elements are present in B other than that will be the B's complement. Okay, B's complement is what? In what elements are present in B, other than that elements are present in B dash. Okay, have you understood about this B's complement? Now next, properties of the complement of set also we have to study. Now next is properties of complements of set. Next is properties of complement of set. Now what are the properties of complement of set? That is the first property which is given on page number 10. What? No elements are common in A and A dash. First property is what? No element is common in A and A dash. Okay. Now next is what? A is a subset of U. Means A's elements are present in U. A is a subset of U and A dash is also subset of U. Means A's elements are present in U and A dash elements also present in U. Now next, third property, what does it tells? Third property is complement of set U is a empty set. Complement of set U. Complement of set U is empty set. Means how you write? Complement of U is U dash, which is empty set. Now complement of empty set is complement of, next property is what? Complement of empty set is U. Complement of empty set is U. Means how it can be represented as complement of phi dash, which is equal to U. It will be represented this in symbolically. Complement of set U is empty set. So complement of U means U dash is equal to empty set, and complement of empty set is U, means complement of phi dash is equal to U. These are the properties which we have to study. Okay, now we will see the practice set 1.3. Now see here example 1, practice set 1.3. First example, see, if A is having the elements A, B, C, D, E, and B is having the elements C, D, E, F, C is having elements B, D is having elements A, E, then which of the following are true and which are false, that we have to tell. Now here see, what does it tell? C is a subset of B. Means what? C's all elements must be present in B. So C's elements are present in B. See, D is present. B is there? No. Means what? First is what? C is subset of B. That is what? False. No. Okay. So if you are want to write reason, what you will write? Because. Why it is false? Because the elements of set C are not present in set B. Therefore, this statement is false. You can write reason. Here in textbook it is not asked, but you can write reason. If it is asked, then you can write this reason. Now second C. What does the second it tells? A is a subset of B. A's elements are present in B or no? Means what? A is a subset of B is also false. Now next is what? Third is D is a subset of B. See, these all elements are present in B. B having element A, E is there, A is not there. Means D is also not a subset of B. Means this statement is also false. Okay. Now next see. Next fourth example is what? D is a subset of A. Now this AE both elements are present. Means this what it is? This fourth one it is true. Now next fifth is what? Fifth is B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. See, B's all A's elements are present. C, D, E are present. F is present? No. Means this is false. Okay. Now 6C. C is a subset of A. C's all elements are present. B, D, all elements are present in set A. Means C is a true. Okay. That is true. So have you followed this? Now we will see the second example. Now see second example. Take the set of natural number from 1 to 20 as a universal set and show set X and Y using the Venn diagram. Now take a set of natural number. Means U is a set of natural numbers from 1 to 20. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 18, 19 and 20. This is universal set. Now X is what it is telling. X belongs to natural number. X is less than 7 and less than 50. So set X will be what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. And Y? Y is a set such that belongs to the natural number, and Y is prime numbers from 1 to 20. So which are the numbers, prime numbers from 1 to 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now this you have to represent using Venn diagram. Now this you can represent in 3 different ways. Now see, first one is the universal set. Okay, now how to represent in Venn diagram. Now this C is a universal set. Now you have to represent x in that. X elements are what? This. And U's elements are what? 1 to 20. So x elements we will write here in this circle. X elements. What are there? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Less than 15 it is said. Means 15 will not come. Okay. Less than 15. Greater than 7 means 7 will also not come. Greater than 7 and less than 15 means up to here it will come. Okay. Now this remaining all in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. Then next is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Like this we will represent by using Venn diagram. Now same thing you can do it for y also. Y how? Now see this universal set. Now y's element you will write in circle and universal remaining you will write in this. Now which elements are there in universal set also and y also, that we will write here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So remaining will come in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is there here, 14 is there, here it is 19. So 13 is there, 14, 15, 16, 17 is here, 18 and 20. So this you can represent using Venn diagram. Now one more it is there, that how you can represent it. Which elements are present in here, both common, that you will write once only. Means here 11 here. Other which element is present? See, 13 is also present. Okay, so third diagram how you can show this universal elements of A, X and elements of Y, and which are common in this 11 and 13. Remaining right here X which 8, 9, 10, 11 is here 12. Next is 13 is here 14. Next in this what you will write? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is here, 13 also there, 17 and 19. Remaining in this means remaining which? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. See, all elements. In this way, 3 different ways you can draw the figure. Okay, for this question answer you have to draw this figure in 3 different ways. Now we'll see the next question. Now see next question number 4. A's elements are 1, 2, 3 and 7. Then write any 3 subset of A. A's any 3 subset you have to write. But in this, when we write any subset, n subsets when we write, that subset how it comes? See, now here 2 elements are given. Suppose 1, 2 elements are given. Now we have to write its all subsets. So how it will come? How many it will come? See. You have to write all its subsets. So it will be what? 1, 2 and 1, 2 and what? Empty set. Okay. Means here how many elements are there? Means its power. Means here 2 elements. So 2's power is what? 4. So how many different ways we can write its subset? As 1, 2, 1, 2 and the empty set. 2, 1 means same way it will be. Okay, so in this way we can write. So in this way you can write here how many elements are given? 4 elements. So its subset will be how much? 2 raised to 4 means 2's power is how much? 2's raised to 4 means 16. Means this, how many subsets you can write for this? 16 subsets we can write. Here in the questions they have asked only 3. So you have to write only 3 subsets. Okay, so how to write? See, the easiest way to write is what? And it is not given in textbook. This I told you. Okay, so you have to write 6 subsets. So subsets all we will write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th is 7. Okay, now 2 digits we will take. 2 numbers we will take. Means 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 7. Now again what we can take? 1, 3 and 1, 7 and which remain? 2, 7. Okay, now 3 numbers you can take. 3 numbers means how it will be? 1, 2, 3 and then 1, 3, 7 and what you can take? 2, 3, 7 and now next what you can take? 4. So 4 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and next is what? Empty set is also a set of itself. So how many this over? See, count, see 16 over or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 1 remain. Which one remains? See, one set remain to write. Which is that one set to remain? That we have to find out. Now 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 7, 1, 3, 1, 2, 7 set 1 remains. So see now. So all how many sets over? 16 set over. So like this you have to write. How you can identify that how many sets you can write? That its power you use. Means how earlier I explained. Now here 4 now elements in this set. So its 4 powers. Its power you have to write. So that will be equal to 16. Okay. Now next example, 5th example we will see. Now see question number 5 I have written here half because it is very lengthy question and it will not fit on the blackboard. So I am not writing its question, only explaining. Now see question number 5. First question is write the subset relation between the set. Now we have to write all subset relation between this. Now in this what is given? P is a set of all residents in Pune. Means what? The people, those who live in Pune. It is represented by set P. Those who stays in Pune is represented by set P. And M is a set of residents in Madhya Pradesh. Set M represent Madhya Pradesh. This Pune. And next is what? I is the set of all residents in Indore. I set is in Indore. And B is a set of all residents in India. Set B represent all residents in India. Okay, India will write as Bharat. Okay, B we will write Bharat. Then next H is the set of residents in Maharashtra. H set H represent Maharashtra. Okay. Now which from this all set you have to decide which is the universal set. Now universal set means to see what? Bharat. In Bharat we have Maharashtra and in Maharashtra we have Pune. Okay. And in Bharat we have Madhya Pradesh, and in Madhya Pradesh we have Indore. Okay, means this set how it will come. Bharat means what? India. In India we have Maharashtra. Maharashtra in that Pune. Okay, Maharashtra, like this you write Maharashtra, and next here Pune. Here it is Madhya Pradesh and Indore. Means B we will say is the universal set. Now what we have to write? Write the subset relation between sets. So how we will write subset relation? See, subset relation we have to write for this. So P is a subset of H. H means what? Maharashtra. Means Pune is in Maharashtra. Okay, and Maharashtra is in Bharat. Means what we will write? H is a subset of B. And next one, Indore. Indore is in MP. So MP's set is denoted by Madhya Pradesh. Set is denoted by M. So Indore is a subset of Madhya Pradesh, M. And next is Madhya Pradesh is a set of B. Okay, Madhya Pradesh is in Bharat. So this all we can represent in subset form. Now next is asked, which set can be the universal set for above set? So which is the universal set for this above all set? That B is the universal set for all above set. Okay, this is the solution of fifth example. Now we are going to see the sixth example. Now again sixth question is also big. So to write complete blackboard it will occupy. So again see, which set numbers would be the universal set for the sets given below. Now for that, in the first example, see, first example they are given A is a set of multiples of 5. So how we will write A set? A is equal to multiples of 5. Means what? 5, 10, 15 and dot dot dot. Now next is B is given. B is a set of multiples of 7. Multiples of 7 means 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on. And C is a set of multiples of 12 means 24, 36. Okay, so this it is given. So in this what we have to write in the sixth question? You have to write the sets of numbers would be the universal set for the sets given below. Okay. Now A is a subset of what you can say? A is a subset of natural number. A is a subset of whole numbers. Okay. Now B we can say these are the B is a subset of natural numbers, whole numbers. And again C also we can say C is a subset of natural numbers and whole numbers. So how we will represent C? Answer of this it will be what? A is a subset of natural number, A is a subset of whole numbers, A is a subset of integer also. Now next is B set. B is a subset of natural number, B is a subset of whole number and B is a subset of integer. Now C is a subset of natural number, C is a subset of whole number and C is a subset of integer also. Now which will be the universal set then in this? So I will be the universal set. Okay, means in I natural numbers also comes, whole numbers also comes and together it forms an integers. Okay, so this is the answer of sixth question's first one. Now second question, see. Now second part of the question is what? See, what does it tell? P is a set of integers which are multiples of 4. Means P set is represented by the multiples of set of integers which are multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 means what? 4, 8, 12, dot dot. And this here what you can write? That right, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, dot dot dot. Then 4, 8, 12, dot dot dot. Okay, multiples of integers. Then T is what? Set of all even squares. Set of all even square. All even square means what? 4, 16, 36 and 64 and dot dot dot. Okay. Now you have to write which will be the universal set. So what we will write? P is a subset of natural number. P is a subset of whole numbers. P is a subset of integers. Okay. Now P, this over. Now T. T what you write? T is a subset of natural number. T is a subset of whole numbers, and T is a subset of integers also. Okay. So this is the sixth answer. Now 7C. Let all the students of a class is an universal set. Let A be the students who secure 50% or more marks in maths. Then write the complement of set A. So complement of set A will be what? So complement of set A is 7th set of children who secure less than 10% marks in maths. Okay, so this will be the answer of 7th question. Now this all examples you have to write in notebook of practice set 1.3. Now we'll see the next part in next video. Okay.